Yes. It's painful. We lost one of our men. A gallant man, for that matter. A man that has shown his passion to dealing with criminals. We are not stopping. We lost one of our best. And I can assure you, revenge is the answer. Hit that pointed at our eyes. And it is time to let loose. Crime and criminality must leave these things. The only way the death of Bako can be avenged is to go for them. Those criminals. But let me remind you, discipline is the bedrock of the Nigerian police. You must listen to your commanders. You must follow directives. That is the secret of any successful operation. You must go in pairs. You must be united in action. United we stand, divided we fall. But let me assure you, this is the beginning. Yes, sir. The success story we started, we must achieve. So, don't be deterred by Nyama things. In the name of gangsterism. In due course, what we pursue is a just cause. The cause we pursue in River State is that we should have peace. The cause we pursue in River State is that we should have safety of life and property. And as God liveth, we shall win. Thank you.